Part 2 of our extra topic is about mnemonics that are commonly used in the study of anatomy. In particular, Part 2 will focus on mnemonics in the study of cardiovascular anatomy. Mnemonics is a system to develop or improve the memory, especially in anatomy where we need to remember unfamiliar terms. Part 2 again is cardiovascular system. We will talk about 9 mnemonics in this about cardiovascular system. Heart valves. We have 4: tricuspid, pulmonary, mitral, and aortic. According to the normal blood flow, to remember them in sequence, we can use this mnemonic: try pulling my aorta. Atrioventricular valves, one is bicuspid and the other is tricuspid. To remember which one, you can imagine a lab rat. Left atrium bicuspid, while right atrium tricuspid. Branches of aortic arch. Remember that there are variations with regards to the branches of aortic arch, shown here. However, majority, more than 65%, have this configuration. Aortic arch has 3 branches: brachiocephalic trunk, left common carotid artery, and left subclavian artery. Again, aortic arch, first branch, brachiocephalic trunk, followed by common carotid artery and left subclavian artery. Or just remember ABCS. Abdominal aorta. Abdominal aorta is about the length, covering L1 and L4. These are the branches of abdominal aorta. The initials PCSSRTLIS. Very hard to remember. So you can use some story that can be easier to recall. Example is prostitutes cause sagging swollen red testicles living in sin. Celiac trunk. Branches of the celiac trunk, we have the left gastric artery, hepatic artery, and splenic artery. You can use this mnemonic: left hand side. Branches of external carotid artery. These are the branches of external carotid artery, or having these initials, SALF, OPMS. Again, these are the branches of external carotid artery, initials, or you can use a mnemonic to remember all of them. Saki Ando likes fighting on Peru's main street. Tributaries for the internal jugular vein. We can use the mnemonic: medical school, let confident people in. External jugular vein. There are 4 tributaries. To remember them, we can use past as our mnemonic. Cavernous sinus. If you can remember, because the veins in this region of the face drains to the cavernous sinus, this triangle area is called danger triangle of the face. Passing through the cavernous sinus are several structures. These are the internal carotid artery and several cranial nerves. To remember all of them, we can use this mnemonic, U, Tam, Cat. Tributaries to inferior vena cava, from inferior to superior part. To remember all of them, we may use this mnemonic. I like to rise so high. That ends part 2. Up next is mnemonic for musculoskeletal anatomy.